National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Cook County in northeast Illinois, northeastern DuPage County in northeast Illinois until 9 o'clock p.m. At 8:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Buffalo Grove to Hoffman Estates and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Prospect Heights and Schaumburg around 8:40 p.m. Roselle and Medina around 8:45 p.m. Wooddale and Itasca around 8:50 p.m. Rosemont and O'Hare Airport around 8:55 p.m. Schiller Park around 9 o'clock p.m. This includes the northwest portion of the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Harper College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZZ.